how to create a Workday Home account in Accenture. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Workday Home account in Accenture. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to create a Workday Home account in Accenture, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. First, check your email for account information sent by Accenture HR. This email will include your username, temporary password, and login URL. Step 2. Next, access the Workday login page by opening the URL provided in the email. Enter your username and temporary password to log in. Step 3. After logging in, you will be prompted to change your temporary password. Create a new strong password that meets Accenture's security guidelines. Step 4. Then set up your security questions. Choose and answer the questions as they will help you recover your account if needed. Step 5. Complete your profile by filling out personal information such as your contact details and emergency contacts. Ensure all details are accurate and up to date. Step 6. Now explore the Workday Home dashboard. Familiarize yourself with widgets for tasks, announcements, and quick links. You can also customize the dashboard according to your preferences. Step 7. Access the training and resources provided by Accenture to learn how to navigate and use Workday effectively. Step 8. Finally, always log out securely when you're finished to maintain account security. So that's how you can create a Workday Home account in Accenture. That's all for this video.